for AI art, it's people who don't do art misunderstand how influences work. They think because you paint or create the way similar to the way other people do, like say you want to be a classical surrealist and you start painting like what's that dude who did the fucking, I think it's what, Van Gogh, and you start creating some of his work, and you do so in order to like get an understanding of what you want to take from his style to put in yours. And when you start painting, you're not painting things that look exactly like Van Gogh. You're painting things that are obviously and clearly inspired by Van Gogh, and also everything else you've ever consumed. Like, even if you haven't painted in other styles, you still, having consumed the art, you will still paint with that style if you like it, because it's something that you've consumed. It's a style that you are bringing to your own. And they confuse being inspired by the same as the way AI creates. If you say, hey, make me a song in the style of blah blah blah, it's making you a thing in the style of blah blah blah, and not making a thing inspired by blah blah blah, as well as all of its other things in its life. Like for me, when I write music, I write a lot like As I Lay Dying, but my music is distinct from As I Lay Dying. You can hear the influence of As I Lay Dying, but you can also hear the influence of everything else that I love, not just As I Lay Dying. And all the things I love combine to make it very much not an As I Lay Dying song. Where when you paint, you might love Van Gogh might be your big one, but when you paint your surrealist paintings, it's not gonna end up looking like a Van Gogh. It's gonna end up looking like you, because it's not just Van Gogh. It's not a piece drawn in the style of Van Gogh. It is a piece inspired by your life experiences. And they don't understand that. They don't understand that the art isn't just, I want to draw like that person. That's what they think art is, but art's not just the art. And this is when it gets into like politics, like when artists try to tell non-artists everything's political. They don't understand, because they don't understand that everything that influences a piece of art is the art. Everything the artist has ever come into contact with influences the art, whether it's their gender, their sex, their race, their actual beliefs, the music they like. All of it ends up like becoming this mishmash of politics and beliefs and worldviews. And non-artists just don't get these things because they don't identity, exactly. And they don't care about these things because they don't create art. You can technically paint in the style of Van Gogh, but you're not going to convey the same emotion that Van Gogh painted with his pieces, because you're not Van Gogh. You can't I mean, obviously anyone can like have that. You can have that kind of despair, but you're not going to have Van Gogh's despair. And people who generate AI images, they don't know, or they don't care. They don't want to know, and they don't want to care. They just want to do what they do because that's the only. Art has been democratized, but like, pick up a fucking pen. You can tell you've never picked up a pencil. They're like, oh, it makes doing art cheap. It democratized it by making it accessible. I've seen people with no feet play guitar. Don't talk to me about art being inaccessible, okay? I've seen people paint with their feet. I watched a woman go, obviously it was a short and she did it for a bit. She went out and bought a can of ravioli and painted and drew with a pencil and ravioli, and it was awesome.